Hi, this is Charles, California. How are you doing today? Today's the day. It's an amazing day today because this is the time that I'm gonna be able to give back to you guys. So today, we already achieved 1,000 subscribers. It's probably like 1,025 now. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much for that. Because of your support, I was able to get 1,000 subscribers, and now it's the time for me to be able to give back to you guys. So, what are we going to have today? Yesterday, I went to Louis Vuitton because I really think that this is the perfect one for our giveaway for 1,000 subscribers. Because with all your pouring support and love for me, I really appreciate that. And then in my appreciation, I want to give back to you what I really dearly love, which is the Louis Vuitton bag. So this is the one that I got for you guys. So the this one, I got this one yesterday from, if you're following me on my Instagram, Charles California Instagram, I put it on my story there that I went to South Coast Plaza in Costa Mesa. I went to Louis Vuitton to pick up this particular piece for you guys. So we're only going to have one winner, but if I can give that to everybody, if I'm just a millionaire, I would do that. I will give you all, one for you, one for you, one for you. But anyways, so this is the one that I picked. What's inside? So inside, of course, the usual thing, I'm going to give this one too, everything included. So this is the price of that. So that's the receipt envelope. And then inside we do have this one, this gorgeous piece. So I'm going to give you all the ribbons, all the boxes, and everything. So it's all gonna be yours. And then so what we got today is, I'm just going to be lazy and pull that one from the side. I'm sorry, because I want to preserve the ribbon so that when you got it, it would be perfect. So this is the one. Do you have any idea what's this? This piece, I have one of this one, and I really love it because I use this one every day. And yeah, so that there's the dust bag. And then the one I got for you guys is the Pochette Clé. This is the one. So yeah. So I think that this is a useful one for you guys if ever you're gonna be the lucky winner for our giveaway. And then it does have the gold hardware on that. And then the good thing about this one is that it's a wallet type of thing. It's kind of like a coin purse too, but at the same time it does have key ring holder on here that it can put your keys on this one. And then you can put cards in here, probably like around 15 cards, credit cards can fit on this little thing. Then it says there Louis Vuitton Paris. I don't know if this has I don't think it does have the code, but this is the one that I'm going to give you guys, and I hope you appreciate that, and I hope you like it as much as I love it. I really love it. I do have the unboxing of this one, and then I'm going to put that one on here. I'm gonna put it there. I'm gonna link that one in there, and then I'm gonna put that one in the description below so that you're able to see the unboxing and then the review of mine of this particular piece. I use this one every day, and I hope you would love this and like this one. So what's gonna happen? What's the mechanics of the giveaway? There's only 4 things I want from you guys. The first one is that follow me on Instagram. My username in there is Charles California. This is the second one that you're going to do. I'm going to put a picture of this one in there. So the only thing you need to do is to like it. And then if you want an additional entry, maximum of 3 entries, you're going to tag some of your friends. Third one that I want you to do is to subscribe me on my YouTube channel, Charles California. Subscribe me on that one. And then number 4 is on this particular video, you're just going to answer the question, what are you thankful for? I want to hear what are you thankful for, and then that you're going to be able to have a maximum of 4 entries. 3 entries will be the people that you're going to tag on Instagram, and then 1 is the comment that I'm going to see on my YouTube channel. In this particular video. So that's all. This one will run from tomorrow until the last week of May. The last Saturday of May, I'm going to have a live draw of who's going to win our Pochette Clé for this particular 1,000 subscribers giveaway. And then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to manually print out everything from Instagram and then from the YouTube comments that you're going to have, and then I'm going to pick that one out of a hat. So we're going to do the traditional way. I'm not going to do a random computer thing. Everybody's doing it, so I'm going to do it too. So what are you waiting for? Tell your friends about our giveaway so that they can have the chance to win our Pochette Clé. I really want to thank you all for all the pouring out of the support and love, for all the comments that you have, for all the dislikes and likes that you put in there, and for following me. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. This is a small way for me to be able to thank you. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. This is Charles, California. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you very much for supporting me. I love you all. You are all my angels. Charles Angel. Thank you very much. I will see you again. Bye.